Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Barry David and I want to introduce to you this new investment website. It's actually an investment website with automatic return of investment, and it has lots of awesome features such as a user-friendly dashboard. It has a responsive interface too. You can see this service is actually beautiful and it's responsive. It has a profile verification and email verification. On this website you can easily deposit, so easy deposit is one of the features. There is also wallet funding and investment plans too, so there are lots of investment plans and that can be added and controlled from the back end. On inside this website, one of the features again is the internal transfer of funds from one account to another account, and it has a referral system too on this website, so you can also make withdrawal of your funds and your investment profits. It has multiple templates and multiple languages, and again you can also add a live chat for customer support. So another feature of this website is that its return of investment is actually automatic. So let me show you an example. You can see right now return of interest ROI standard. So this is actually the plan name, and the email says congratulations, money back 2.5 USD added to your balance and your current balance is 254 USD. Please check for sure. So this is actually the email I got from the account which I created, and I actually made an investment, and the profit I got was added to my account and I received a mail. So that's why I said the return of investment is actually automatic. So I'll show you how this website works, and I'll also teach you how you can actually install this website and set up this kind of website for your clients or for yourself, for your personal use. So without wasting much time, let's go. As you can see right now, this is the home page. I will create an account now. I'm going to sign up. So I'll put in my name and say Mark. Put in an email address, put in a password, I'll confirm my password, click on register. So you can see now I have successfully registered and I've been logged into my dashboard. So you can see now. So let me check my mail. Okay, let's move on. So you can see right now, this is my referral link. I can copy it. Now you can see referral link has been copied. So this is the dashboard now. So I'll go ahead to make a deposit and say add deposit. See, I'll put in the amount I want to deposit. I want to deposit 5,000 USD, and I'll click on next. So one of the deposit gateway here is actually bank. You can actually add and delete this too. So it's asking me to upload a receipt of the payment. So I already made payment. Now I want to upload the receipt. I think I have a receipt image here. Okay, now it's set preview. So minimum 10 and maximum amount is required for Citibank. Okay, let's say 1,000 or 100. Let me deposit $100. Okay. Oh, okay. The minimum is 100 USD and the maximum is 10 USD and the maximum is 100 USD. So I will click on this gateway now. I'll see browse and okay. I'll click on preview. So that's it now. You can see the charge is 2.3 USD. So payable is 102.3 USD. Now pay now. Let's see now. deposit successful. So I'll go under my deposit logs. You can see this is my deposit log now. My deposit log. So I'll go back to okay. So now I will go to the admin side now to approve this deposit so that the funds will be added to this user's account. So this is the admin side. I'll refresh. See, this is the admin side now. I'll go to deposits, manage deposits, and go to pending the what deposits. So you can see now these are the pending deposits. You have to show the details of the deposits. Click on show. You can see now this is the receipts which I uploaded, and I'll close it now. You say what accept what deposits. So accept request. Now request has been accepted successfully. So now we'll go back to dashboard now. Go back to dashboard. So you can see now $100 has been added to my account. That was the amount which I was deposited. That's the amount which I deposited. So when I check my mail now, you can see deposit request accepted. I got a mail and see deposit request was accepted. $100 has been added to your what account balance. So now I'll go ahead to make an investment. So I'll go to investment plans. You can see these are the various investment plans. So ROI investments. So we also have fixed investments. See now. So I have $100 and this is the only plan which I can invest on. So I'll click on buy now. The minimum is $100, so I'll put in $100. You say you get a total of $25 after complete ROI. We get $2.5 for what 10 times. So I'll click on what submit. To successfully purchase ROI standard. So that is the plan. Now when I go to investment log, I see now my investment has started what counting. My investment has started counting. You can see the package name, the type is daily, amount in which I invested, the payable is 25%, 10 times. Already returned, this is number of times my profit has been added to me, and the next return time will be, which is this date. That's the next return time, which will be the time which I will receive my profit, and when I receive my profit I will be notified. So I go back to my dashboard now. So I don't have any funds anymore because I've invested my funds already. So I will go to the admin side to actually credit this user account. So to credit this user account, all you have to do is go to users management, go to all users. So this is the user which I want to credit his account. I will click view detail and see add or deduct funds. You can see. So I want to add money now. I will add 5,000. Then you can type a message and say, for example, referral commission, and I will click on submit. And see balance add successful. When I go back to dashboard and I refresh now, and see the money has been added. So what I will do now is try to make a withdrawal. I will go to withdraw. So these are the various medium which I can actually withdraw from. So I will choose any of them. I'll choose this one now. I want to withdraw $500. So you can see now preview. This provide all information. This is place you can actually provide, or maybe your bank detail, every other detail can be provided here. So I will go to click. I will click on confirm withdrawal. Now withdrawal request successful. Wait for processing day. So you can see now. I will go to withdrawal log. So these are withdrawal log. So you can see it now. So when I go to the admin side under withdrawal management, you can see pending withdrawal. So you can see right now these are the pending withdrawal, and I can see what action, process it, or I can choose to refund. So when you click on the phone, the money is being added back to the user account. So when I click on processed, so you can see now that's what's been processed. So you can see. So that is it. So when you go to transaction, you can see my referral tree. See, all your referrals will display here, and fund transfer to. And see, share your balance with other users. So you can actually share your balance to other users. So you just have to type in the receiver name, put in the amount you want to share, then you click on transfer now. Under transaction log shows all the transaction which has been done, your deposit transaction, your investment transaction, your withdrawal transactions too. All transaction will display under this log. So you can also mine crypto too. You can see mine crypto. See, you can see Bitcoin. Put in the amount Bitcoin you want to buy. Put in the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. You click on buy now. So for example, I click on 0.0. So you can see. So total of $16.3 USD will be deducted from your balance. So I'll click on buy now. Purchase coin was successful. So you can also purchase coin in this website. So I'll go to my dashboard now. It's my balance. So you can see now. So now I'll go to BTC now. So this is actually my wallet address, which the website generated for me. So I can click on new wallet, put in a wallet address, or a wallet address, and click on submit. So this is actually a default wallet address which the website generated for me. I can click on send now. So I want to send Bitcoin. So you can see I can send Bitcoin now to a recipient's wallet address, and I'll put in the amount. You send the Bitcoin. So on this website you can actually send Bitcoin from this platform to an external wallet address, and you want also receive. So you put in the wallet address and you receive it with any of these wallet address and the amount which you want to receive to. Then you click on submit. So when you go to profile, this is where you edit your basic details. So put in your basic details. I can put a mobile now, put a mobile number, put an address, and say 234 Mount Avenue. Zip code, put a zip code. City can be, let me say, Los Angeles. Country is USA. So I'll click submit. Profile updates was successful. See this now. I can change my password here. Change the password here. So when you go to security, this is where you enable a two-factor authenticator using the Google to Authenticator app. So this is where you carry out that action. And to log out from your account, you go to log out. So this is how the website works. And now I will take you through the admin side to explain every part of the admin side. So let's go to the admin dashboard. You can see the various statistics showing on the admin dashboard: the total users, active users, the banned users, and the total deposit in USD, total withdrawal, and the total invest USD. You can see now. You can see them now. So when you go to manage referral, this, you can see referral commission settings. So level 1 gets 10% commission, and level 2 is 5%, and level 3 is 3%. So you can actually add a new level. You see, you can add a new level. You click on updates. So I don't want to add a new level. I want to refresh this now. I can actually change the percentage now, and I will update it. So when you go to ICO, this is when you can see ICO is actually on. So on the crypto is actually BTC. So it charges on 0.00214 per for crypto rate. So this is 0.00214 for 1 USD. So coin fees charge for balance transfer. So when you want to transfer your Bitcoin, so this has a zero charge, and the percentage charged to still 0 when you update. So if you turn this off now, so when I go to the user side, when I refresh, you can see you can't find the Bitcoin on the menu anymore. So you can't transfer or send Bitcoin. So you can update now. When I refresh here, you can see BTC is there. So that's how to make the feature active, and also to disable the feature. So when you go to deposit management, so when I go click on gateways, you can see now I have different gateways here. I can click on this now and edit, so I can make it active, and so close. So this is the one we use, the Citibank, the bank feature, the bank gateway is what we use. So we can also click on add gateway here. Now put in I can say name of gateway is Bitcoin manual payments. So I'll select an image. I think I have it. Okay. So you can see one rate is 1 USD to 1 USD. So the minimum amount should be, let me say, minimum amount is 10, and maximum amount is 50. So fees charge is actually 0. Charge represented is 0. So payment details. This payment details now, when I say I'll type in a payment wallet address. The status was actually active. Then I will click on add. So gateway added successfully. So when I go to the user side now to make a deposit, you will see that deposit method here. So I'll put in, for example, I'll put in an amount now. I'll click on next. You can see now. You can see it now. So the payment gateway I created now has been added. So I can select any. You can see. Select any of them. So I can click on submit and review. As you can see, I click on pay now. So that's it. So let's go back to the admin side now. So you can see pending deposits. This shows all the pending deposits which you have, and accepted deposit shows all the accepted deposits. So So rejected deposits too, same thing goes for the deposit which you have rejected, will show display here. So you go to under deposit logs, it shows all the what deposits which has been initiated on the platform. So you can see this one right now is what's incomplete. So when I go to user management, or at all users, you see all the users that has been registered on the platform, and we click on view detail. You see the detail of the user, you see their balance, you see the dates which they actually registered. You can add or deduct from their balance, and you can send them a mail. So this is actually, you can see right now, this is actually their default wallet which was created for them, and this is their basic details. So you can actually make the user active, and you can also ban the user. So we go to withdrawal management now. This withdrawal method too. You can edit all this withdrawal method. You can also add what's a withdrawal method. So see add the withdrawal method too. You fill in the details, then you click on what save. So pending withdrawal, we also have all the pending withdrawals. So withdrawal log have all withdrawal, you can see with their withdrawal details too. So we go to transaction log. This shows all the transaction that's done from withdrawal transaction, income transaction, the deposit transaction too. All of them displays under transaction log. So by the time you go to news and say manage news, so you can see now inside news from the website, you can actually update your news. You can delete and you can add new. So you can add new news here. For plan, see this shows all the available plans. So see now these are the plans. You can actually edit them. You can edit them. Click on what to submit, and you can delete a plan too. So when you click on add new, you can put in the plan name. Is it a fixed invest or return invest too? So you choose one. Is it capital or back or no capital back? So it means that will your capital be returned to you, or your capital will not be returned to you. So it can be hourly, can be daily, can be weekly, monthly, whichever you want it to be. So you can see now return the percentage. So how many percent you'll be getting back, that's what that means. Then you click on what submit. So when you go to menus, you can see these are menus under on the home page. So you can edit the details of that particular that page. So you can also delete the menu. So when you go to web interface, these are the places you have to manage the banners, the home page details. You click on work area. You can see now this is the about for the battles page, the battle section. This is the service section, investors section too. So that's how it works, and you can change your logo and your icon here. So when you go to general settings, see settings, put in your site details. You see the live chat link here. Email verification is on and off. You can turn it on, you can turn it what's off. So you can see, put in your USD, your currency value here. You see them now. So email templates, set email templates. So this is where you set up your email details, your SMTP details. For template settings, this is where you set up your what templates. You can see, and language words manager, so you can set up the language. So this is how the website works. Now let me teach you how you can actually install this website for your clients. And to be able to install this website or set up this website for your clients, you need to have your cPanel details, you need to have your domain name, you need to have your hosting, and you need to have the script. So if you want to get the script, all you have to do is contact me through my contact details. My WhatsApp number is under this video description. So contact me and I will let you know how you can lay your hands on this script. So let me teach you how you can actually set up this website for your clients. So I just logged into my cPanel now. I will go to domains to create a subdomain. So you might want to install yours under the public underscore HTML. But on this tutorial, I want to create a subdomain. So I'll use Invest Pro. Creating a subdomain now. So I just created a subdomain. So now I'll go into the public underscore the file manager. So this is file manager now. I'll click on upload, and you will upload the zip file which you will get. So it's uploading now. So it just finished uploading now. I'll go back and I'll click on reload. So I will right click to extract this file. So now I will reload now. So I'll go into the folder, select all and move. So I'll go into the .env file. I'll right click to edit. Then I'll go back to my cPanel homepage and go to my SQL database wizard. I'll create a database and say Invest Pro DB. Click on next step. So I'll copy this, put it in Notepad. So I'll create a username and say Invest Pro user. I'll generate a password. See, I'll click on use password and save the password here. I'll create what user. So I'll click on all privileges, make changes. So I'll go back to my .env file now. So you can see DB, DB database. So I'll copy the database which I created. I'll copy the username. See now DB username, put it here. As you can see now, see this now, DB password. Paste the password. So you see app URL. So mine is actually since I'm using a subdomain, so I'll put in my put it here. You can see now. I see that now. Then I'll save. Then I will search for phpMyAdmin, or go into your phpMyAdmin to import the database file. Still loading. So I'll select the database which I created. I'll click on import. So to get the database file, go into your file manager again. You see the SQL folder. Then you download this database.sql. Then come here to your phpMyAdmin again. Click on browse. Select the database file which you downloaded just now and click on open. You scroll down and click on import. You can see it has been imported. So let's see if our website is working now. So I'll click on this link, select this link, and so this is just an SSL issue. I will click accept and move on. So it's not working now. Let's check why it's not working. So you can see it showed a blank page. All you have to do is go to your cPanel home page, look for PHP version. So select PHP version. Yours can be multiple PHP manager. So right now it's showing PHP version. So I'll select PHP version. Okay, right now it's in 8.1 and you put it in 7.4 and click apply. So right now I will reload. And see right now it's loading up. So it's still loading. So while this is still loading, I will copy this link now. I will access the admin dashboard. So to access the admin dashboard, to be your domain name or your subdomain name / admin. So this is still loading. So you can see now, to get the admin details, the admin login, email, and admin password, you come to PHP admin. You see the database tables. You can see admins. So select it. You can see this is the admin email now. So to get the admin password, click on edit. You wipe this out and you say type in your password. And you select encrypt. Click on go. So copy this admin email now. Put in my password. Click on login. So you can see right now our setup is actually complete and it's working well. So okay, so to set up the cron job, you go to your home page, your cPanel home page, search for cron jobs. See, search your cron jobs. Go to your file manager again. You see installation.txt file. Right click on it, edit. You see cron job. You can see now cron job. So this is the cron job command. So if you install in the folder, add /folder name before /cron. So I will copy this now. This is the command that helps in that automatic payment, automatic return of investment. So I'll select set now. You put it in once per 5 seconds. Then the command will be like this. So it's now, it says your domain name /cron. So if you actually, now I'll put in I will select my domain name now. So I'll put it here. So if it was actually a folder, for example, I uploaded in an account folder, I'll say account folder /cron. So right now I didn't use any folder. I will remove this. I will say new cron job. So this is how you set up cron job. So this is our home page. So At this junction now, I will cut this video. So if you have any difficulty trying to install the script, contact me through my WhatsApp number. I will be glad to render some assistance. And again, to get the script and lay your hands on the script, contact me through my WhatsApp number again. Thank you very much for watching.